Hi, one more session on statistics. In the previous one, we calculated the median of a discrete frequency distribution. Here we'll be taking up median of a grouped or continuous frequency distribution. If the whole method for the first 2-3 steps they remain same till we are finding out the cumulative frequency column, then we are doing n by 2, looking for the cumulative frequency greater than n by 2, and then determining the determining the median. But as because it is a continuous frequency data, at this stage or at this step we can only be knowing the corresponding class or the model class, the median class, excuse me, it's a median class. Now after locating the median class, we will apply the formula which I'm going to write down. It says median will be then calculated by the formula L plus n by 2 minus f. I later on write what what do these alphabets denote. Okay, L here I write L, which stands for lower limit of the median class. This is all about the median class, because after locating the median class we are now writing the formula. This is the frequency of the median class. Then H is the size of the median class, the interval actually is the median class. And then you have this capital F, which is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. It is, I'll write it in short, cumulative frequency of the class. We need to remember this. It is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the one which is located or established as the median class. We now take up a small example that will help us apply this formula better and understand it as well. Okay, it says calculate the median of the following data, and the data given will be, I write it here, these are the marks given for few students, and the number of students against each marks are also given. Okay, I write down between 0 to 10 the number of I made a mistake. This is the marks and this will be the number of students who fall in that bracket of 0 to 10 and 10 to 20 and so on. With 0 to 10 marks were scored by 5 students, 10 to 30 is scored by 15 students, then 30 to 60 will be scored by 30 students, 60 to 80 was scored by 8 students, and 80 to 90 was scored by 2 students. Now we find the CF, that is the cumulative frequency for this data. So it will be 5 plus 15 gives 20, 20 plus 30 is 50, that is 58, plus 2, that's giving us 60. So n is 60. So I write n as 60. So n by 2 will be 60 by 2. N by 2 will be 60 by 2. That's giving us 30. Now we have to look for the cumulative frequency or the median class where this 30 lies. And so the 30 will lie here. we in the previous session we discussed that how we need to look beyond 30, something which is greater than 30 and not below 30. So here the closed number becomes 50, which has a median class 30 to 60. So our median class is now 30 to 60. For the median class 30 to 60, let us decide what is our lower limit. So L becomes 30. For 30 to 60, the frequency, over here there is a spell mistake, just ignore it please. The frequency of the median class is 30 H will be this here in the class intervals were of unequal weight, right? There is no need actually to adjust the class interval. There is no need to make it equal. So let it be as they are. Height we are assuming it to be 30. What is left? F is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Preceding is 10 to 30 and the cumulative frequency for that will be F, then becomes 20. So we substitute all this in the formula we have written above here. So it is L plus, that makes it 30 plus N by 2 was 30 minus F capital, that is the cumulative frequency preceding for the class preceding the median class, by the small f, which was also 30, and multiplied by 30 again. So what do I get? This get cancelled. 30 minus 20 is 10. So 30 plus 10, that's giving us 40. So we got the median of this data given to be 40. We now take up a question wherein it's a bit different. We have to make the class interval by ourselves. It's a less than frequency table given. I write that question quickly here. It says compute the median for the following cumulative frequency table. Now the table says, I write the table here. It says it is less than 20. The frequency is given to be 0. Well, when it is less than 40, no, sorry, 30. Oh, it's less than 30. It is given to be 4. Then it is less than 40. It is given to be 16. We have to figure out our own table, continuous data table. Less than 50 is given to be some 30. Less than 60 is given as 46. Less than 70 is given as 66. Less than 80 is 82. Less than 90 is 92, and less than 100 is given to be 100. So this is actually the cumulative frequency table given. So we will first have to construct the frequency table from this cumulative frequency distribution, and then we make our necessary calculation or the computations. From this, if I write the table, the first interval will then be less than 20. There is nothing. Less than 20 is 0, so I'm not writing it. It is less, so it is between 20 to 30. It is 4. Cumulative frequency is 4, and therefore the frequency is also 4. I'll also be writing, okay, later on I might just write the cumulative frequency again. Between 30 to 40, as because it was given 16, so 16 minus 4 now is 12. So between 40 to 50, it is given 30. 30 minus 16, 14. Then it is 50 to 60. Between 50 to 60, it was given 46 minus 30, so 16. And 60 to 70, it was given to be 66 minus 46, so 20. 70 to 80, 82 minus 66, that is again 16. 80 to 90, 92 minus 82, that is 10. 90 to 100, it will be then 100 minus 92, that is 8. The information given this column was actually for the cumulative frequency. I can write this down. This is frequency, this will be cumulative frequency. If I write it again, it will help us, because we will obviously be observing the median class and then look for the lower limit and all, and this cumulative frequency preceding the median class as well. So better I write it down here. So it is 4, 16, 30, 46, yep. Then it is 66, then it is 82, and then it is 92, and then it is 100. So n is given to be 100. Our n by 2 is then 50. So we have to look for the observation under cumulative frequency to be 50, which is now close. Again, will we look beyond 50? So it is 66, which has the class interval of 60 to 70. That will be our median class. So the median class, I didn't write it though. 100 was n, so by 2, that is 50. We were looking for it in the cumulative frequency column. Median class, I'll write median class becomes now 60 to 70. So L becomes 60. F is, the gaps are of, what was this the small f denoting? The small f in our formula was denoting the frequency of the median class, which now stands at 20. Capital F was the cumulative frequency preceding this median class, so that stands at 46. And H is the class interval, that's 10 here. And now we apply it in the formula. L plus n by 2 minus capital F by small f multiplied by h. So it is 60 plus 50 minus 46 upon 20 into 10. So this is 4 by 2, it is 2, so it is 60 plus 2, that is 62. So the median of this data less than table given to us is 62. Thank you.